Welcome to DICS Daily Current Affairs. Today's news is against suspending IP protection waiver on COVID-19 vaccines. Public health advocates and intellectual property rights experts point to a contradiction in India's global push for the suspension of intellectual property protection with its stand in the Supreme Court that bringing COVID-19 vaccines under a statutory regime will be counterproductive at this stage. What are patents? A patent is an exclusive monopoly granted by a government to an inventor for a limited, pre-specified time. It provides an enforceable legal right to prevent others from copying the invention. Patents can be either process patents or product patents. A product patent ensures that the rights to the final product are protected and anyone other than the patent holder can be restrained from manufacturing it during a specified period even if they were to use a different process. A process patent enables any person other than the patent holder to manufacture the patented product by modifying certain processes in the manufacturing exercise. Details of recent moves by different countries. India, along with South Africa, had initiated a proposal for the temporary waiver of certain provisions in the Agreement on Trade-related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights (TRIPS) to facilitate fair, affordable and universal access to COVID vaccines and medicines, especially for developing countries. The two countries had highlighted that some WTO members had carried out urgent legal amendments to their national patent laws to expedite the process of issuing compulsory government use licenses. However, expert opinions to an affidavit filed by the centre in the Supreme Court, which shows the government taking a different stand in favour of the protection of intellectual property rights. What is TRIPS agreement? Trade-related aspects of the intellectual property rights (TRIPS) is an agreement on international IP rights. It came into force in 1995 as part of the agreement that established the World Trade Organization. TRIPS establishes minimum standards for the availability, scope and use of 7 forms of intellectual property, namely trademarks, copyrights, geographical indications, patents, industrial designs, layout designs for integrated circuits and undisclosed information or trade secrets. It applies basic international trade principles regarding intellectual property to member states. It is applicable to all World Trade Organization members. TRIPS agreement lays down the permissible exceptions and limitations for balancing the interests of intellectual property with the interests of public health and economic development. Thank you.